Tailwind CSS in HTML and most easiest process with CDN, something like that. And if I make any changes in here, it will be automatically reflected on the output. Red. Okay, it is automatically reflected on the output, and this is the easiest way how you can use it on the without any this Tailwind configuration. You can use a Tailwind on the your this normal HTML. So I will show you the step-by-step process how to do this. So just red, green, yellow. Okay, we're getting this every time live output. First, we need to create a folder. Just closing it. Go to File, open VS Code. Go to File and open folder, desktop, and I've created a folder called Tailwind, and you can name it any name, and you need to open it VS Code. Now create a file called index.html, and you can give it just any name. Shift and this exclamation mark and script source. We can just pass https://cdn dot tailwind css.com, maybe this, or you can just check it out on the Tailwind official documentation like that with cdn.tailwindcss.com. Just copy it and just paste it. You don't need to remember it. Hello, save. Okay, so before that we need to run our server on the live server. So I have an option, just right click. So to open your index.html file live server, you must create your index.html or HTML files in a folder. In my case, my folder name is Tailwind, and make sure that you have created a folder and your HTML file on folder. So after that, just search on live server extension. So you need to install this live server to get the option and getting a live output. And I'm open with live server, remove it, and then okay. Now if I just class direct cell underline S, need to refresh it, 5 Excel. Okay, it is working. It is working. Make sure that whenever you make changes, you have just save it. Your file you need to change after changes, or you can just say make this default setting to automatically save your file after some changes. Just font bold. Now our font is bolder. Text or just uppercase. Okay, our text is uppercase now. Underline text below 500, text of green 500. Oh, it is working, and every time we're getting this live output. So this is the easy process, the most easiest process work with Tailwind in your HTML. And if we go to the documentation of Place CDN, just go that tailwindcss.com/docs/installation/Place CDN, and you'll find just every documentation like that. You can add like custom configuration, and also you can add like utilities like layer. You can add your some extension or plugins from tailwindcss.com like that, like typography, aspect ratio, or anything else that you want. And this is it. This is a simple process. And now we need to add this script in our file. So end of the body, like before, this is the padding. Now you can add your custom configurations. So this is margin. So you will find a lot of utility classes on the Tailwind this documentation. Just look at this. What you need, just search on here. You will find this is the easiest process how you can use Tailwind in your HTML file.